Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome back to my channel for another design team project for Country Craft Creations. This is finishing up using my leftovers from the Gentleman Fleur paper collection, the 8x8 that I received in my design team package. And what I did is make a little tag for my little file box. This I purchased on my own from Country Craft Creations. It's a Tim Holtz file box. And I just love it. And I did get these file folder cards in my design team package. So what I've done, I have shown in a process video. Now this is not a tutorial. This is just simply a process video showing you the process of making this particular one, where I added in a little tag made out of craft cardstock that opens like that, so you could add photos, some gear and some of the patterned paper scraps. You can see I pieced it. These two don't even go together in one of the snippets that I received in my design team package. So I show you the process of making this and adding all the different things that I do. This unties. I'm not going to do it right now. And it has a little folder here that you could add some journaling or whatever you want to. I added some gears, one of the Tim Holtz gauges that came in my design team package. So this is a lot of fun to make. And then off camera, I made some more, like this one, just the one of the tabbed pieces from this set, wrapped around a scrap, added a scrap behind here, made a little pocket, made a little tiny tag, some flowers from a stash. This is actually, that's a Farm Sweet Farm, some leftovers from that, from a design team package prior, and some metal from Tim Holtz. This is another one of those little folders here. I put some of these pictures. I'll show you what I used. These are the Tim Holtz snapshots. Trimmed them down to fit. I did some scribbling with a pen and then added all this in. And of course, I inked these file folders. You can see the difference in the color. I did ink mine. Added the snippets, so that goes in there. And then this one is just another one of the regular plain pieces here. I inked. Added some scribbling, some of the flowers, a gear, one of the photos. I love how this turned out, some of the snippets. So this is just a fun way to use up some of your paper scraps. This is one that opens up with the pictures. I already showed you that one. I'm going crazy here. This is just has a photo on it. This is just a photo. I just inked the edges of a photo. So anyway, I love how these turned out. I'm going to keep them in this. So I have two more sections that I can do, and my idea is on my next couple of projects or whatever, when I have papers that I want to add to this, some scraps, then I will make some more tags and things to go in there. So this is the Gentleman Fleur paper collection from Country Craft Creations. What I used from a design team package was the Tim Holtz gauges. These I ordered on my own. They were not part of my design team package, but these are the snapshots. You get a nice pack of the Tim Holtz snapshots, the reproduction photos. This is from my design team package. This is the little snippets. I still have quite a bit left, so I'm kind of excited about that because I really like them. I actually even used it here on the one on the front of the box, order number 178. It just turned out really cute like that. This is all that I have left of my scraps. I'm going to hang on to these. I may make some more to go in this section here later on. So keep those scraps. You'll want to use those. So that's what I used in this video. It is a process video. I'm going to set it to music that I found on YouTube that's royalty free. I really love the music. And so just sit back, listen to the music, and watch the process on making this particular tag. And then just have a go at making some with your own scraps and have a good time. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, and click on the bell so you'll be notified of my next project. The next thing I'm going to be doing is working on my special project for the July virtual retreat for Country Craft Creations. So I can't share that with all of you. That's going to be for private for those who signed up for the retreat, but I do need to get that done and get my video done and all the cutting guide and get it ready for in July. So I do have a deadline for that. So you may not see anything from me for a week and a half or so, unless it's a small project. So just be sure to subscribe, click on the bell, and that way you'll know when I have another project here for you on my channel. And as always, shop countrycraftcreations.com for your scrapbooking, paper crafting supplies. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye. Oh, and sit back and enjoy the process video. Thanks.